I think anyone should try it because it really helps you think, and it helps you in other classes, and it's really fun and you learn a lot, and it's not like just something that you're not going to use ever because you can use it in the future.
I would say this class, it's harder, but it's extremely fun. You have one of the best teachers. He helps you a lot, he teaches you, and you actually learn more than I have in all my other classes for helping me through the future.
The technology is growing. I mean, it's everywhere. Everyone needs it. Companies, that's what they grow on. They're going to need people like me, people who program, people who know how to work their way around it.
This is the most real-life class that you'll ever take in high school. The things that we do in this class are mainly things that are only interest to you. Maybe it's you have trouble like doing homework assignments or keeping track of them. You can create an app like that for your final project.
It kind of puts you in your own little world where you can create whatever you want. As long as you have the imagination, the drive to do it, anything's possible.
We're getting up, we move around, we test out each other's apps. We have a very huge line with like MasterCard. A lot of those programmers there come in, they'll email and shoot us text and say, you know, hey, is your class having a problem? What project are you guys working on right now? Is there anything we can do to help? So, you know, they're reaching out to us. So our kids get that real life experience talking with people in the field, having that direct line of communication with those people. It makes this class flow so much better.
I think it's really fun. I'm learning a lot, and it's really interesting because you can like sometimes think about it outside of school too, you know?
So when we're talking about programming, you know, it's a step-by-step. Basically, we are creating instructions on how we want the computer to act or work. So trying to think logically through problems is going to help them easily problem solve skills, be able to do a lot of research on the internet, which is huge for other classes.
You get to know how to talk with other people. I mean, some people who take this class, they're not normally the types that do that, but then they get to meet people who also know what they're talking about, and they definitely get to open up, and you get the chance to meet new people in a class like this.
A lot of things they do in the real world, quote unquote, we try to implement in our classroom. So like when we are building a huge project, the first 5 or 7 minutes we'll sit around in a circle and say, this is what I'm working on today. This is what our goal is to be at this point by the end of the class period. We're stuck here. Does anybody have any idea what we could do to help with this? And kind of get feedback that way.
Well, you kind of learn like how to talk to people and how to like ask for help and get criticism.
Some things that they may show me I may never have thought of. So now I'm learning from them. That collaboration thing is so awesome. And just seeing the progress that these students make of this is totally new to me, but by the end now I can create this awesome app that can help other people, or you know, just kind of give me something to space out and maybe play a game that I built. So it's something that they can share forever.
I think everyone should know about this class. It is extremely fun, and you get to learn about code, and honestly you make a lot of friends in the process.
And actually see how little things like this, or what I do every day in class, creates the games I love so much. It just really kind of widens my imagination, you know?
It really helped me think like abstractly, like more outside of the box.
If you like working with computers, you like thinking differently, you like doing stuff that you wouldn't normally do in a regular class environment, definitely take this class.